Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a product review. I'm going to be reviewing this vitamin C serum, and the vitamin C serum I'm going to be reviewing today is the Pei Mei Vitamin C serum. Is it showing? This is it. This is actually a vitamin C serum. I would say this is the vitamin C serum for the people on a budget. If you want to use vitamin C and you are on a budget, this is what you should actually be using. If you have, dark spots or all of that, get you this. This is very affordable. I will tell you that in all the affordable, vitamin C serums that we have in Nigeria, the Dr. Rachel, the Roshun, the Disa, this Pei Mei is the best. In my opinion, this is the best, guys. This is very nice. I'm telling you guys, if you have dark spots, you have uneven skin tone, your face is losing volume, you feel like your face is thinning out, because vitamin C helps for collagen production. It helps your skin to produce collagen, and collagen is going to help your skin look plumper, look more, youthful. So this is actually very good, and it's very affordable. If you do not have money to buy all those expensive vitamin C serum like the Balance Active Vitamin C serum, the Timeless Vitamin C serum, get you this one for the meantime till you get money to buy those expensive one. Vitamin C is actually very essential in your skincare. This is something that works, guys. This is actually what it looks like. This one is almost finished. This is actually what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's not coming out. This is actually what it looks like. Very nice, and it works. It works. I will tell you that when it comes to skin compatibility, because sometimes affordable vitamin C serums tend to actually irritate your skin, but this one is very nice. Even if you have sensitive skin, this will work. This will help to brighten your skin instead of going for Desire or Roshun or the other ones. Go for this one. This is actually better quality compared to the other ones, and if you want to get vitamin C, I would say get this one, because this one works better in my opinion. It is less irritating, it helps to brighten your skin, it gives your face a very bright look. This vitamin C serum is very underrated, guys. It is super underrated. This is very nice. This is rich in vitamin C and also helps to brighten and even out your skin. So if you are looking for a vitamin C serum that is going to help your skin, get this. I'm telling you, this is going to be very nice. You're not going to regret it. Vitamin C is essential in your skincare. It is very essential in your skincare, especially if you're tackling dark spots and hyperpigmentation, or also sun exposure. I will not advise you to put this on your face and go out in the sun, because vitamin C and the sun are not very compatible. If you're going to be using this, use it along with a sunscreen, because sunscreens and vitamin C work very well together. So if you're using this, you can actually use it in your morning skincare and also your night skincare. This works, guys. It works. Go and get this. This is actually less than 2,000 naira. You can actually get this less than 2,000 naira, and it's going to last you for at least a month. That is if you're using it consistently. This is very nice, guys. Get it, and you're going to be shocked. If you're someone that have used the other brands, the Russian, Desire, Dr. Rachel, and they gave you adverse reaction, try Pei Mei. Pei Mei is actually very good. This is like, I don't even know how to say it. This is actually a very high quality vitamin C serum. And also this serum, when you put it on your face, it kind of moisturizes your skin a bit. It has this gel, this gel consistency. Let me show you what it looks like. This is actually what it looks like. Can you see, guys? It looks like a gel, very watery, but like a watery gel. When you put on your skin, it kind of makes your skin, keeps your skin moisturized a bit. It keeps your skin very moisturized, and it works. I'm telling you guys, it works. So guys, if you want vitamin C on a budget, vitamin C that works, not just vitamin C that will not work and will not do anything, and that will even be irritating your skin, go and get this, and you will not regret the purchase. I promise you. But before you get this, try to know if your skin is compatible with vitamin C, because a lot of people's skin are not compatible with vitamin C, and that is why most times when they use products that contain vitamin C, they tend to have reactions, and they tend to think that, oh, the vitamin C product is bad, but it's just that your skin is not compatible with vitamin C. So before you get a vitamin C serum or anything that contains vitamin C, try to know if your skin is compatible with vitamin C. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Turn on your notifications so whenever I drop a video, you are not going to miss the video, and I will see you in my next video.